De quand pas loin de dans ok. Oui, pas loin de Moi j'ai des belles photos et Okay, good luck.
You're just gonna watch it? You're not doing
There's an MC and an announcer.
Well, no wonder why I wasn't getting
Good for
response.
you.
I didn't know if it was your
Non, oui, mais c'est pas ça. C'est le truc romain. Oui, tu as compris. Non, c'était loin de Avignon. Oh, ok. Dans la campagne. Et on a c'était ça fait très 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 belle photo. Oui, la campagne là. Là. Et j'ai quelques choses là. Mais oui. Hi.
Hello there.
How's it going?
Going well. How are you doing?
Good. So you do is a live stream, the sound just with the iPad?
Yes, it is. It's good enough to hear, luckily. So we did have a mic, but somebody in the department lost it.
Oh,
Not
no.
me. Not me. Don't
Oh,
worry.
okay. You're a loner. Like what? Well, it's a little piece. It's like it's for $95. But it's sort of American folk style. But then, so it has, it's not a little piece, but it has a little bit of that stuff. And but then it does kind of pull it up a little high. I can't remember. So
I have to sit on that side. Because when we're not sitting in a desk, I have to sit. It makes zero sense. Well, because I'm in the it's like I'm in the passenger seat.
I'm sure it'll be. Yes, it'll be great. It's kind of a simple song. It's about my
I'm excited.
Great. I know. If it's at least we're paying it. Okay.
We wrote the KD.
I thought there were lots of really good things. I like the conductor a lot. Yeah, he seems so.
If you all would please find your seats, the show will be starting in 1 minute.
Yeah, I thought it was wonderful. And the ceiling not be so
And that was I mean, I understand those two outside are such kind people and all each other marriage. I do understand the respect for that. We need more. Usually, did you tell her that?
I did, yeah.
Is she playing it? The Gilbert game?
He's not going to come, no. He feels like he can't go away. I know.
How was the baking?
Doing better. Yeah, really feeling cool. And I think yeah, the nurse was
sponsored by the Monmouth College Chorale. My name is Bella Peets.
And I'm Corey Pevitz.
We are so excited for you to be joining us tonight.
We've got a great set of acts for you tonight. Some are going to make you laugh, some might make you cry, but all of them were made. I want to now ask all of you to please silence your cell phones so there are no disruptions during the show. And I want to offer a profanity warning. Some of the language and jokes might be sensitive for some audiences.
So, without further ado, it is my pleasure to introduce our first act. The faculty composed Craig & Co., including Vanessa Tripania, Craig Vivian, and Eric Christian.
They'll be singing a few songs here shortly. You ready? We will or you will? You will.
Oh, we okay, yes.
Yes.
We will come. All right.
Oh,
Right.
well, please enjoy.
How is everybody?
Good.
I'm so sorry to disappoint. If I was Craig, I would do his little bit, saying that we're just stopping here in Monmouth, all the way from New York, on our way to LA. It's how he opens all of our gigs. It's really funny when he does it.
Okay. We're on a world tour.
Off to world tour. I will not be teaching class the rest of the semester.
There you go, buddy.
Normally you can find us at Market Alley Wines or bars, so if anybody has anything, now would be the moment to let us know.
Can you guys hear this? Can you hear this? Okay, good. Can you hear this? All right, you ready? Good. Are you ready? Valerie. see if it's working. Let's try this one.
Yours is, mine's not, right?
Ready?
Testing, 1, 2.
There we go.
Well, sorry about that. I only have a
Right,
PhD in
let's do
theater.
this.
Can't turn the microphone on.
There it is. Perfect. All right. See if we can do this. This is a song by a guy named Chris Stapleton. Right? Okay. Anybody know it? I used to spend my time out in the barroom. Liquor was the only love I know. But you led me away from the bottom and brought me back. Being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I'll stay stoned on your love all the time. I used to look for love in all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle's always dry. But when you pulled out your heart, I couldn't waste it. 'Cause there's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as smooth as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I'll stay stoned on your love all the time. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Oh, Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey.
Okay, we got one more for you.
Yeah. Sunday morning rain is falling. They'll bring me back to you. Find a way to bring myself back home to you. Man, I know that maybe you're right. In darkness, she is all I see. Come and rest your bones, come and rest your bones with me. Driving so on Sunday morning, driving so I'm headed, yeah. It's a flower in your hair, I'm a flower in your hair, yeah, yeah. Ooh, that may be all I need. In darkness, she's all I see. Come and rest your bones with me. Driving so on Sunday morning, and I never want to leave.
It's good to see a lot of you.
Oh boy, that's embarrassing, isn't it? I just walked straight into it.
I see you, Holly.
Well, that was phenomenal, I think. I once again want to offer a profanity warning. Some of the jokes and language may be sensitive for some audiences, but let's give another round of applause for Craig and company. You know, that reminds me. Do you wish you'd like to have talent?
All the time, Corey, actually.
Well, our next act is the percussion ensemble, so maybe you should take notes.
Well, you know what, Corey? It's really hard to compare to you, talent-wise, because you are the coolest person at school.
Thank you.
I didn't finish. You're the coolest person at school's roommate, Louise.
Anyway, here's the percussion ensemble group 1. It's the first of 2 performances from the percussion ensemble tonight.
All right, please welcome Camille Prentice, Zach Lundquist, Bryn Neal, and Garrett Rossell.
Enjoy.
Maybe Corey.
Their performances are always incomparable. Like,
All right, Corey, who do we have up next?
So in honor of Veterans Day, our next act is an airman, or should I say airwoman, and just like that last show, she flies over everyone's heads.
We're telling 6-foot jokes to a 5'10" crowd.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Louise isn't that tall, okay?
Hey, Corey, if you could be a character from Beauty and the Beast, who would you be?
Probably Lumiere, you know, like on fire.
Well, I would have assumed the Beast because of your anger issues. But at least the Beast can keep his hair.
Our next act is Alex King, who will be performing a solo performance of Evermore from Beauty and the Beast, now streaming on Disney+.
Give her a round of applause.
Bella, are you okay?
Emotionally or physically?
Just physically. Okay. Are you ready to go on the show?
Yeah, I just kind of lost my place.
Okay, you get reorganized, and I'll take this time to tell some jokes. You know, Bella, you can never trust stairs. They're always up to something. They say you should never trust a man. They say that you should never judge a man until you've walked a mile in his shoes. Because then, when you do judge him, you'll be a mile away, and you'll have his shoes.
Nice.
Thanks. I invented a new word recently.
What word?
Plagiarism.
It's a mystery that you're still single. Okay. Corey, I have a joke too.
Let's hear it.
What do you call a boy with no arms and an eye patch?
What?
Names.
Bella, who do we have next?
Okay. So our next act will be the first of 2 performances of a cabaret group.
But before we get there, I want to offer a profanity warning. Some of the language and jokes in this concert will be sensitive for some audiences. The cabaret group will be Vanessa Campagna, Doug Alderman, Carol Booby, and Tom Carr, featuring Janelle Jackson on piano. I'm so sorry. B-U-B. I apologize.
They will be singing Get Happy. Wait, Corey, why does it say Exit Pursued by Bear?
introducing the next act solo, Bella thought this would be a good time to go get a Taco Bell, and I'm not sure she's not going to get me any either. That's okay, because I'm going to take this time to tell you a brief story. I recently offered a good friend of mine, his name's Caleb Toberman, a job. Doesn't matter about the details. What you really have to know is that it's at a great law firm in Albuquerque, New Mexico, called Howard and McGill. I think that's what it's called, at least. And recently, ever since I offered him the job, some strange things have been happening. I've been thinking about confronting him about it. Here he is now. Hey, Caleb. Corey. Have you thought any more about the job? The job? Yeah, no. Still giving some thoughts. You know what? It seems a little upsetting. So, don't worry about it. Offer's off the table. Do you accept me? How do you accept me? You tell me. It's getting a little weird, Corey. Weird. You know what's weird, Caleb? It's weird to offer a job to him, and in return have bowling balls thrown at his car, and prostitutes sent to his business lunch. That's weird. Are you listening to yourself? I don't know what you're into these days, Corey, but prostitutes and bowling balls? You sound unhinged. I'm sorry that you're in pain. You're sorry? You're sorry. You kill my brother. You say you're sorry? Let me tell you something. The job offer, it didn't upset me. It amused me. Big job at the illustrious HHM. A chance to play in the palace. Little old me. You have no idea what's going on. You're a teensy tiny man in a teensy weensy little bubble. Oh, don't you fucking okay with me. You look down on me, you pity me, walk away. That's right, Corey. You know why I didn't take the job? Because it's too small. I don't care about it. It's nothing to me. It's a bacterium. I travel the world again. You didn't imagine. You can't conceive of what I'm capable of. I'm so far beyond you. I know it's a God and you can clothing. Glory, people, shit for my fingertips.
That was kind of awkward. Well, I'll just say some things that are coming up for chorale. On December 3rd, the Monmouth College Music Ensembles will be sharing their music during the Christmas at Monmouth concert right here in Dell Chapel. Also, next spring, the chorale will be taking their talents to perform across the great state of Colorado. Yeah. These events and many others, such as this variety show, are made possible by your generous donations. And if you did not see it on the way coming in, there will be chorale members accepting donations on your way out. We would just like to sincerely thank you for all your support, and thank you so much for coming.
Sorry. What happened?
Nothing important. Where were you?
What would you like to know?
No. Corey, is that a microphone in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
It is a microphone. Now we're going to introduce one last song.
Wait, that's it?
Oh, no, it's called One Last Song. It's a song by Sam Smith. It will be performed by Skylar Law. It's just called One Last Song. We're not ending the show. Sorry.
Please welcome Skylar Law, who will be performing One Last Song.
Maybe one day I won't sing about you. I'll sing a song about someone new. Right here, right now, I'm sending a message to you. Here's one last song for you. And I hope it makes you feel, and I hope it makes you burn, and I hope it reminds you of how much it hurt. I'm sending a message to you, and I'm hoping that it will get through. When it was good, it was bittersweet, honey. You made me something I love, the shade of blue. I know you don't wanna talk to me, so this is what I will do. Maybe you're listening, so here's one last song for you. In case you hear this, I know you're the love of my life. Wanna tell you I'm sorry, I miss having you by my side. When you were mine, when it was good, it was bittersweet, honey. You made me sound till I love the shade of blue. I know you don't wanna talk to me, so this is what I will do. Maybe you're listening, so here's one last song for you. Here's one last song for you.
Anita!
Good evening.
My name is Bella Peets.
And I'm Corey Pettis. You know, Bella, every once in a while you get to see a performance that transcends time and space. You have performances like Live Aid.
Oh yeah, or like Michael Jackson or Lady Gaga at the Super Bowl.
When it comes to acting, you have Heath Ledger as the Joker.
The studio recording of Freebird.
Or like Weezer's cover of Africa.
Anyway, here at our first annual variety show, we wanted to celebrate some of the monumental performances that you have seen tonight.
So the nominees for the best performance at a Monmouth College variety... Sorry. I'm just getting word that there is a profanity warning for tonight's performance. Some language and jokes may be inappropriate for younger audiences. So let's get back to the nominees for the best performance at a variety show at Monmouth College.
That one percussion group.
Skylar Long.
the percussion group.
And the award goes to... Cut the drum roll. When it says cut in the script, it means stop. Okay, so the award goes to...
Our next act!
Please welcome David Wright as he performs Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen.
Heard that secret chord David played, please the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, and the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king, composing hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. And she tied you to that kitchen chair, and she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before. I know this room and I walk this floor, and I used to live so alone before I knew you. And I've seen your flag on the marble arch of love. It's not some victory march, it's a code, and it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Well, there was a time when you let me know what's real and going on below, but now you never show that to me, do you? And I remember when I moved in you, and the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot at someone who outdrew you. And it's not a cry you can hear at night, it's not some pilgrim who's seen the light, it's cold, but it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, I did my best and it wasn't much. Couldn't feel, so I learned to touch. Told the truth, I wouldn't try to fool you. And even when it all goes wrong, I'll stand before the Lord a song with nothing on my tongue but hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
That was awesome, Corey.
I agree.
You know what else is awesome? France.
Do you see that because our next act features a French horn?
Yeah. Plus, everything is better from France. French horn, French fries, French soup, French dip. Everything's better from France. Just ask him.
Our next act will be Riley Calamus performing a French horn solo accompanied by Dr. Sully Lee Clark.
Please enjoy.
You know, Bella, at some point we should probably acknowledge the audience.
You know, you're right, Corey. Does anyone here have a birthday today? Anyone celebrating? Yeah? Yes? Oh my gosh, happy birthday. Oh my gosh, twins. Twins right there. You know, I have a really fun fact about birthdays, actually. Did you know, on your birthday, you're 14% more likely to die?
I think you're forgetting the fun part of fun fact, Bella. Well, good thing our next act features a long list of fun facts, but before that, we thought it would be only appropriate if we gave some of our own.
So I'll start. Okay, did you guys know that 100% of newborn babies are illiterate? How sad is that?
Well, did you know, Bella, that there's a huge drop-off in teen pregnancy rates after the age of 19?
Wow. And you would know that, Corey. Did you know you can still swim in the pool on the Titanic?
Well, did you know, now this one's a bit somber, that for every 60 seconds that passes in Africa, a minute passes?
Okay, this one will blow your mind. Literally. Did you know? When you say the word poop, your mouth makes the same shape as your butthole when you poop. Yeah. And okay. I know this from experience. The same is for explosive diarrhea.
Well, hopefully our next act is a bit better than ours. Please welcome Isaac Asplin, who will be featuring some fun facts with you, the audience.
Give him a round of applause.
All right. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm literally just up here getting questions asked. I'm taking the variety part of a variety show to its logical extreme. I'm only going to call on people whose names I'm very confident on, so sure, Caleb.
So let's say, hypothetically, you were the GM for the Chicago Bears for the next season.
Because I have no idea what the next draft classes are going to look like. So, you know, free agency is a good idea. And then slowly handicap the rest of the teams by ruining all of the wide receiver markets.
That's a great idea.
So I think that's how the Jaguars are doing it right now, so I think that's probably how we should do it.
So it's like signing research, next time.
Yeah, something like that. All right, this is a bad idea. Dylan?
Who's your favorite precaution?
Myself. Next question. Emma?
What's your favorite color?
Silver.
Cool.
Riley?
What's your second favorite color?
Normal gray. Anita?
What's your favorite kind of cheese?
I can't have cheese, but when I could, it was Swiss. Why do I like Swiss cheese? I don't know, it tastes good. Why can't I have cheese? I don't know. I can. Yeah, Patrick. Great? I don't know, the pants that you're wearing. Camille. Can beans fly in the dark? Bees? That makes way more sense. All right. Can bees fly in the dark? Generally, no. They just immediately fall to the ground the second that the lights turn off. No, I'm not even kidding. Seriously. Like the second they fly around and then the lights turn off and then they think that it's dark, so they fall to the ground. No, it's probably just light. You know, Dylan again. African or European?
European.
No clue. Monty Python never helped me with that. Anyone else have any questions? If not, I can just go on random tangents. Yes.
What size do you wear?
These are 12. Or 12 and a half, I don't remember. All right. I honestly don't know. I want to say probably 12 and a half. Yes, in the back.
You like Weezer?
I don't listen very often, but I guarantee you that I listened to at least 15 songs when I was on tour last time because Caleb would not stop playing them.
If you were on a date and someone said, I've gone to
I don't know, I'm pretty fast. So I've never actually measured myself though, so I don't really know the speed. Patrick?
How do you accidentally go to 3 months?
That's a legitimately good question. I kind of want to hear that answer. All right, that actually leaves me more confused. Camille? This color. I see no reason to change my hair color. I dyed it black one time for a musical and hated it. Sure. No. Don't. No. Why would I have an emo face? I'm perfectly fine the way I am. Anita? Have I worn wigs? No. Yes. No. Thanks. In the back?
What's the most outrageous outfit you've ever worn?
Good question. Honestly, I don't know. I basically only wear neutral tones. All right, random tangent time. So you ever heard of the Habsburgs? The people who saw my presentation back freshman year on the Austrian history of Austria will remember this quite well. The Habsburgs are reportedly very, 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 very inbred royal family. There is a particular prince, let's see, what was it?
No.
Dylan, do you remember, is it Charles Philip II, something like that, of Spain? Oh, okay. I'm done now. Bye.
How was it?
Wow. Well, here's the thing, Corey. You know, as we near the end of tonight's show, no matter what anyone says, I think you did a great job, and you put a lot of hard work into this, and it's appreciated.
Thank you, Bubba.
Are you gonna say something about me?
So coming up is the second of the 2 ensemble percussion performances. Hey Bella, 2 drums and a cymbal fall off a cliff. Don't make fun. Someone lost a perfectly good drum set.
That was a great joke, Corey.
Thank you. Percussion ensemble group 2 is Zach Lundquist, Drew Cliffel, Nehemiah DeClaw, and Peter Soutsos.
And they don't need a drum roll, ladies and gentlemen, because they can do it themselves.
Please welcome Percussion ensemble group 2. give one last round of applause for the percussion ensemble and all the other great performers that we have had tonight.
We sincerely want to thank all of you for attending the first annual and probably last annual variety show sponsored by the Monmouth College Chorale. Once again, there will be space to donate on your way out of the chapel.
Our next performance will be December 3rd at 7:30 p.m. That will be Christmas at Monmouth right here in the Doll Chapel. We hope you can join us then. The last act tonight will be the second performance from the cabaret group. They will be singing Don't Rain on My Parade. That'll do it for tonight's show. One last round of applause for all of our great performers tonight.
Again, thank you so much for enjoyed.
If we're gonna have everyone who performed on stage for a group photo with all your beautiful smiles, the rest of you drive safe. Hope to see you here December 3rd at 7:30 p.m. Thank you.